How can the latest changes to the Payroll Protection Program help you? I'm Nina Kaufman, founder of Business Exponential, helping knowledge experts streamline their business, pivot for growth, and earn what they deserve. Now, over the last few weeks and months, we've had a really dark and negative news cycle, so I am excited to share with you just a tiny little ray of sunshine for small business owners, and it's this. There have been some new changes to the Payroll Protection Program, and they are really great for small business owners. Now, your first reaction may be, hello, aren't they changing the Payroll Protection Program all the time? And the answer is yes. The reason for that, there's an old expression, no plan withstands its first encounter with the enemy. So when they first launched the Payroll Protection Plan, again, program, it was exciting. It was meant to really shore up small business owners, but hey, they didn't realize we would be in lockdown as long as we are. So the new changes, I'm going to highlight 3 of them for you, are really helpful to give small business owners more breathing room. And they wouldn't have known that if they hadn't just allowed things to unfold and seen what's the new reality that we're dealing with. So first and probably most important is that the loan forgiveness period has been extended. It used to be you had to use the funds and show how you're using them by June 30th. Well, hello, we're almost there, and there are plenty of businesses, especially in New York City, that are still in relative lockdown. So that time frame has been extended. You now have 24 weeks to use the funds, and until December 31st, drop dead deadline to show how you're using them. Likewise, the importance of the program was to help you maintain your payroll levels. So now, instead of having to do that and bring everybody back by June 30th, you now have until December 31st to bring back the employees, a similar number that you had before COVID, and also to restore wages if you had to reduce their wages for any reason. And the third area is how you're using the funds. It used to be, again, because all of this, in the very name, payroll protection was to protect the payroll. But as they realize lockdown is continuing, rent, utilities are a huge expense for so many business owners. So now, instead of 75% of the loan having to go toward payroll expenses, it's now 60%, which leaves business owners 40% to put toward utilities, rent, and mortgage interest and things like that. So really helpful, giving business owners more breathing room. On the end of the slide, you'll see a link to the updates on the Payroll Protection Program. Make sure you download those, share those with your advisors so you can put the right planning in place, again, now that you've got some breathing room to make those plans. And if you'd like some support, as again, it's a really tough time for business owners, feel free to reach out and schedule a strategy session with me on the Call Nina link there. Again, I'm Nina Kaufman from Business Exponential, wanting you to own a business that doesn't own you. Thanks for listening.